Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on your Ram 1500. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a measuring tape. Next, park your truck on a level surface, exactly 25 feet from a wall. This distance is crucial for accurate alignment. Finally, ensure your tire pressure is correct. Improper pressure can affect your headlight beam's height and accuracy. Now, let's prepare for the adjustment. Measure the height from the ground to the center of your Ram 1500 headlight bulb. Transfer this measurement to the wall, marking it with a horizontal line using tape. This line will be your target. Then, find the center of your vehicle and mark a corresponding vertical line on the wall. These marks are essential guides. It's time to adjust the beams. Open your hood and locate the adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. There are typically 2 screws per light, one for vertical and one for horizontal movement. Turn the screws slowly to move the beam. For low beams, aim the top of the cutoff line so it aligns perfectly with the horizontal line you marked on the wall. After adjusting, take your Ram 1500 for a short drive to confirm the alignment. Ensure both headlights illuminate the road evenly without blinding oncoming traffic. Proper alignment significantly improves night visibility and safety. Remember to regularly check your headlight alignment, especially after any front-end work. Also, for those looking to make meal prep easy, check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.